Hi, my name's Hayley and I'm one of the tutors at Southend Adult Community College, and I'd like to demonstrate in this quick tutorial video on how to make a pinch pot. They're very easy and they're very quick to make. They're really fun, and as a first introduction into pottery, these are a really good idea. So to start off with, you need some clay and make it into a very simple ball that's going to sit into the palm of your hand. You're then going to turn around and push your thumb up until just past the fingernail into your clay. Not all the way through. You need to stop because obviously you don't want to turn around and make it into a ring donut. You then start pinching the clay from top of the clay, down the sides, down to the bottom, to then open it up so you then create your pot. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to just start pinching it out. And obviously you can't see, so I've got some that I've made earlier that I've cut in half at different stages. So this is the first one. This is where I put my thumb in when I've started initially, and then I've cut it in half so you can see. So what happens is I put my thumb inside, I'm leaving that much space between my thumb and the top so I can pinch all this clay down. Once I've started to bring it down pinching, it looks like this. So as you can see, as I'm starting to pinch the clay down, it's getting thinner along here and it's getting thicker down the sides. So it's going from that to that. I am then going to start pinching out the sides and the edges, and what happens is it will suddenly start to look like this. So I'm going from this to this, and whilst I am pinching it, I'm making sure that I get a nice even thickness of pinch all the way along, and this shows it really beautifully here. Now you've seen the inside and what it's going to look like as you're going on. I'm just slowly putting it in the palm of my hand, and as I'm pinching it with these two fingers and my thumb on the inside, I'm rotating it just to keep its shape, and also it's easier to turn around and pinch it when it's being moved. And every now and then I am tapping it on the tabletop just so you get a nice flat edge. And what I'm doing is I'm just moving it around. As you're feeling it, any areas where you can feel where it's slightly thicker than some places, then you just pinch that area out with your hand, with your fingers, sorry. There are potters that use this technique really beautifully. If you like this technique or you want to research them, then you can look up these potters. They are Mary Rogers, and there's a woman called Hannah Lawrence who's a UK lady that's now gone over to live in Australia, and she makes some beautiful tableware using pinch pots. And then there's a person called Tracy Wilkinson as well that you might want to have a look at. I'm pinching so my fingers are going under that way, so I'm pinching the clay back on itself, and the reason why I'm doing that is so it keeps the shape tight and I can control it easier. If you start pinching out this way, what happens is it becomes very wide, very shallow, and it starts to turn around and it can collapse on itself. Whereas pinching it in on itself, it means you can keep the shape tight and under control, and then you can then open it up if you want to. Once you're happy with it, tapping it on the table, then you can then smooth it off with your finger, so any areas and lumps and cracks on the outside you can hide. And then if you wanted to add some texture and some pattern, just let the clay harden off a little bit so it holds its shape a bit better before you start pressing in. One final tap, and there you have it. Pinch pot. Thank you.